All right, so hi guys.
Hi YouTube. What's up?
What's up, guys? Today we wanted to talk about something that's really important. And our topic of the day will be about the coronavirus. We wanted to make you guys aware and how we can prevent the disease, this disease that's going around. So, would you like to start?
Yes, I would like to start. So this se-
Wait. I'm sorry to cut you off, but before you start, um, I wanted to ask you a question. Like, how do you feel about this disease? Like how ever since like it came out, how have you been acting like in school? Like, tell me a little bit about how you feel about the
so
virus.
I'm not a racist person, but I honestly try to avoid touching everyone, even the people in my class, and it makes me scared because the coronavirus it spreads by germs. It doesn't spread. It's not like something you could trap in a box. It's germs that spread when direct hand contact happens. Like, say if you're gonna hug someone or hold their hand, like that's direct hand contact. And if you don't wash your hands or do anything, maybe that person was sick. You could probably catch coronavirus from them.
Yeah, and like if someone coughs on you or sneezes, you don't see that stuff in the air. So it's very important to keep your mouth and your nose covered, keep your hands out of your face. It's very simple. Just wash your hands like for more than 26 seconds, like with soap and water.
Yeah, like if you have a problem with like washing your hand for a long time, just sing the ABC song. Don't do it too fast. Don't do it too slow. Sing it while washing your hands. When you hit the last letter, you could stop.
Okay, so would you like to tell us a little bit about what you learned about the coronavirus?
Yeah. Yes, I would like to share with you guys what I learned and some tips that could help prevent the coronavirus from spreading. And yeah, the coronavirus outbreak started in 2019, and there was no exact date, like when, the time, the day, but it was in 2019 where, like, toward the end, like December something. And they say it was spreaded by an animal, a sick animal. A human touched the animal, or was
Really?
that, yeah, my social studies teacher told me that. They told me it started with an animal who was sick.
Okay.
And the animal, like, the person was playing with the animal in China,
Yeah.
Iran, China, somewhere like that. And the person didn't know it was like sick or nothing. Then they started touching people,
You just taught me something new. And then what?
and then that they called it coronavirus. Corona means crown in Spanish. Yeah, it means
It's a Latin term for
it.
I think I get what you're trying to say.
Yeah, but I'm not sure if it started by an animal, but that actually shocked me when they said an animal.
Yeah.
Cause how would it be an animal? I thought it was something like invented.
Yeah, something that oh I get it.
Yeah.
So what else?
So, but let's just get to the tips on how to prevent it from spreading like everywhere.
Yeah, because we want to say something also. Like this is like really like something crazy. Like this is a very bad epidemic outbreak that's going on right now because like schools are closing, a lot of businesses, small businesses, big brands, franchises. So like the stocks is gonna go down. Like people are gonna lose a lot of money, and it's just crazy. But we have to promote healthiness and safetyness first. So you want to give some tips, or whatever?
Yes, I
My
would like
beautiful
to.
princess daughter.
So, number one, wash your hands 4 times a day. So, you should wash
By the
your.
way, guys, I'm sorry to cut you off. By the way, guys, I'm not Muslim. I have nothing against other religions and races, but I
Me
just
too.
love the way this looks. And also, my hair wasn't done to be on camera, so yes. Okay.
Number one is wash your hands 4 times a day. You should wash your hands 4 times a day because, like, it, it, it keeps your hands clean, and you don't want to touch your face with unwashed hands because that dirties your face and puts like nasty stuff in it. and you also can give yourself germs. But I don't think you should wash your hands way too much because it's not good for your skin. And your body sometimes it needs germs to practice fighting them off. So when you have something, you're sick or the flu, your body will be like prepared or ready to like fight it off. So if you're young, like if you're if you're young, you're not like an elderly, your body it's good at fighting things off. But if you're like elderly, like
Your body is
40,
more vulnerable to getting sick.
yes.
It's more easier if you're elderly. It's more easier for you to be sick because you're elderly. So like outside people, us adults and young people, we come from traveling, work, and everything or whatever, and we come and give our grandparents hugs and stuff. Yeah. So we have to be very careful and wash our hands. Like I like to wash my hands like anytime if you're in a big public crowded area, and then like once you're getting ready to leave, it's important to wash your hands. Like today when I had training this morning, after I took my shower and everything or whatever, and I ended up at my workplace, and like I'm around a lot of people. So when I got there, I sat and I put my stuff down. I went to the bathroom. I washed my hands. When I came back, like after the during the training, I went back to the bathroom, washed my hands. Before I left, I washed my hands again. Like, but once I got on the train and I travel, I try not to touch poles. I try not to touch anything or whatever, and I try to stay away from people. Um, and when I got home, I washed my hands like 26 seconds, hot warm water, soap and water.
Yes, you should do that because that actually helps you. So let's get on to number two. Use hand sanitizer. I recommend this because like my social studies teacher told me hand sanitizer like it wasn't good for you, but now it's important because it actually keeps away the germs in your hands and like yeah. But don't put it all over your body. Like don't do that. Like that's not gonna like do anything. It's just for your hands and it gets rid of the germs. So let's go to number three. Avoid close contact with sick people or people who have symptoms of coronavirus. You should do this because this is how coronavirus spreads. You should have a mask or something, gloves, anything that could prevent the outbreak from spreading. And sick people, like if you see someone coughing crazy, like really crazy, not one, not two coughs, not one sneeze, not not if not someone breathing, having a hard time breathing one time. If they're doing it constantly, then you should tell someone because if you tell someone, then like it will be fine.
You could probably prevent someone from, possibly getting sick, or because you never know what it is. You never know.
Yes.
So it's good to like this with this that's going on. It's just like so unfortunate for society right now because like out of the out of my whole life living, like I never saw like something like this, like that was going on, for like them to want to close down, businesses and schools and everything or whatever. So we want to try to promote this and make everyone aware, you know.
Yep. And in Europe, like everything in Europe is closed down. Like nothing is open but supermarkets and like
And
people.
planes, like they like they're the president of the United States, they canceled flights for like 30 days, like from coming in and out of America, like because like we're trying to like prevent like the disease from spreading. So that's why they're closing down a lot of businesses and things or whatever, because they don't want like people to like they don't want the disease to spread more. So it's good that we close down, and try to like close everything down, you know until they try to get this figured out, because they still haven't found a cure for it. So scientists are still working on that also.
They also said they would find a cure in 18 months, but you would never know. Like it could happen anytime. But let's move on to number 4. If having symptoms, go to a doctor. This is helpful because they do say the hospitals, like when you go to the hospital and say, "Can I get tested to see if I have coronavirus?" That it won't be quick. Some people say it's quick, some people say it's slow. But I I heard this on TV, that the hospitals will be like, the more people who have cases of coronavirus and want to go get tested, the more spots will that will be filled for the hospital. So there won't be no more space, and like that's hard for people. But if you have symptoms, go to a doctor.
Yeah, if you have some, don't be afraid either to go to get checked out or whatever. Like, don't be embarrassed or whatever, because at the end of the day, this is something that can happen to anybody. It's no discriminate. This disease has no type of discrimination on anyone. It can happen to rich people, poor people, whoever. Like, this you shouldn't be ashamed to, to make sure that your health is intact. So don't be afraid, because like, what you rather to be here with your family and your loved ones, right? What's the most that could happen? Like, just go and get yourself checked out. um from what I seen on TV, they go into quarantine for like 14 days, and yeah, they still haven't found a cure. So this is something that's hard to explain to me, like, or even talk about. But the most best way to prevent it is just to, keep washing your hands and try to practice being clean.
Yeah, you should be doing that in a regular daily basis. Like not because the coronavirus is happening. You should do that like all the time.
Yeah.
And last but not least, number five, wear a mask. It's impossible to find a mask anywhere, but you should keep looking. Wearing a mask prevents the germs from spreading, and it could probably help you. It won't protect you fully. Like you can't guarantee it will protect you from coronavirus, but like it kind of like it kind of like stops the germs from getting to you a little bit, but it also stops the germs from coming like from you. And like just wear a mask because it just stops germs from spreading, and that's how coronavirus spreads.
Okay,
Yeah.
guys. So is that all?
Yes,
We
that's
hope
all.
you enjoyed this video, and I really hope you guys really practice cleanliness, and making sure that we're gonna say, like, try to help prevent this from spreading, guys, because we all want to be safe.
It's 2020. You don't know what's gonna happen.
We love you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to our channels,
Yeah. Subscribe to my channel, Perfect Plays, with a Z at the end.
and subscribe to my channel also, Quadi Bonita. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and the notification bell buttons. And we would like to hear your comments also. So let us know what you guys think, and add your thoughts or whatever. We would love to hear from you guys. Goodbye.